Hi everyone, this is Alfred from BinaryOptionsTutor.com. Today I decided to do a little peek behind the veil after completing our first week in the ESP trading room. ESP stands for Epiphany Systematic Protocol. It's a unique trading style developed by myself and my brother David, based on more than 14 years speculating and designing software geared around the financial markets. Every Tuesday through Thursday, we're inviting you for a fun and relaxing evening with us as we learn together and earn together. No pressure if you're not able to attend every meeting, because right here in our members area, every meeting along with concise cliff notes will be recorded. Full transparency in our room is we record a full unedited version of our meetings each time we get together. So once again, we'd love to see you guys in the ESP trading room. Trading doesn't have to be so complicated, and we just love to show you that that's the case. Following this little clip here, I'll be doing 3 trades in the room along with our group. 36, maybe 108, 536. I'm going to pull the trigger there. I'm going to try this bet doing a call. Could be a little early. Could have been a little hungry on that one. So, we'll see. We'll see. That's a really good pullback there. And if some of you didn't join me there, some of you guys might be able to get in here around the end of the next 5-minute candle. And you see, I hope some guys are seeing that sometimes it's not even so much miraculously predicting or anything. It's just the patience of waiting for those spots and for those areas. Where was I? Yeah, I think that was your entry on that candle. The candle right there. I ended up being at 108, 535. So I need a little bouncy bounce. Catching some of this consolidating price action.
So Marcus World tuning tonight is still at about like a 1 pip spread effort. 531. Well, looks like it's cooking. Yeah. 543, 51, 52. I see 43 over here. 49, 57. A little bit, maybe even a little bit tighter than 1 pip. 42, 55, 1 point. Yeah, maybe a little wider, I'm sorry. Okay. 42, 55, 1.3. Kind of anomalous, 47, 55, 49, 55. Their tuning really is kind of wow tonight. And that's really what's going to make the difference. How fast are they going to call these? How are they going to adjust the rate of change? Spread may be the same, but the rate of change that they're using on their platform may change. Right. I believe I've got about 30 seconds left in the bet that I'm in on. Yeah, I believe that bet's over. I got in at 35, so might have eked out with about a pip and a half. Some tight consolidation. Yeah, that one was over. It took them a little while to update me. First trade of the day. So really,
Yeah,
I was
I see
just
from
tasting.
the chat room that viewer 19 is in the money. Entered at 108.527, expired 108.548 at 21.24. Okay,
Nice.
Ben is also in the money. Strike at 108.526.
Are you guys getting a better position than me? Actually hitting here. I think I'm going to take a little taste right here. 108. Oops. I want to take another. Personally, I'm taking another taste because had my chart set up wrong. First bet I was doing, I don't know why, but I was already set up for it to go lower, and I just popped off the wrong trade. Now I'm going long. I'm taking a call, of course. And let's see. Got in long at 108, 819. Got a trade I screwed up going short. 108, 822. Everybody else getting what I'm saying here with this going long, going short. Just finished doing my little lecture on guys and jargon, and I'm just prone to use going long and going short. But if I say I'm going long, I'm doing a call, and if I say I'm going short, I'm doing a put.
Okay, I got a question from Ben via the chat. He would like to know on a 1 minute chart, what would be, when you do see the dip, what would be the expiry? What expiry are you looking for?
I'm sorry. Right now, while we're trading off of these 1 minutes, all this week we've been doing 5 minute expiries. That's why I'm always trying to wait till, like, you'll see me waiting till 8 minutes after the candle, 9 minutes after the candle, 14 minutes after the candle, 13 minutes out into a candle. In general, every 5 minute candle, I'm waiting 3 minutes to 4 minutes into that candle. Like I talked about earlier, 3 minutes and 30 up to 4 minutes and 50 seconds. Because I'm trying to get very close to where that candle will just be a 1 5 minute candle until it expires. And at a point, we're going to do longer trades in here. The only reason I'm doing these 5 minutes is, one, I just want to trade consistently this week, and I want us to all trade off of a little, not a very cluttered, but a fairly simple chart. I want to say this is where I got in. That candle there going up. And trying to show some repetition. So that's why we're only trading these 5 minute moves. And there's also
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry, go ahead.
I was going to say we have a question from viewer 19. Do you wait for a candle to engulf the Heikin-SG candle and then enter the trade on the next candle?
In a perfect world, I do like to see these candles dip and touch these Heikin-SG, because one thing about the Heikin-SG is this is the average place for the market. So like right here where we've got a candle and it's actually dipped and engulfed this Heikin-SG, that's a really sweet place. Right here where we're even closer, we're below the Heikin-SG and we're almost about to touch our 25 SMA, that's an even sweeter place. That's one of the reasons why on yesterday I was saying, man, some of you guys are getting even better position than me. and the reason is because I'm always trying to make an effort to get in early and announce that I'm in and what I got, so that you guys still hopefully have a little time to watch and get in as well, and hopefully beat me as far as my position. Not really sure what the platform is going to say here. I may have gotten called on. That one. The pop came just right after my exit, it looks like.
Okay, I see Ben in chat has gotten in the money. 819 for the strike. 108, 819. Also, viewer 19 in the money. Expired 108, 846 at 2012.
Okay, yeah, I won going up. I lost my bot straight going down. That's okay. Sometimes I'm calling and I usually try and I don't know if I've mentioned this, but I usually try and make an attempt to set up what as much as I can set up of where I'm finna bet in advance, so there's not really nothing left for me to do but to click to execute the trade. And that's easier on some platforms and harder on others. But $49.45. I may actually take this. I think I'm gonna go in here. Gonna go long. I got in at 108, 814.
Okay, I see from the chat, Crazy Powers has gotten in at 108, 815. Viewer 19 has gotten in at 108, 821. You know, we're getting a lot of great feedback tonight in the chat room. A lot of people that are actually very much enjoying your teaching and your pacings tonight, bro. So, you know, congrats. And I like your pacing also, because I know if I can watch the chat and still follow along with you on the chart, then, you know, I know it's not going to be it's not like we're going to be in and out of so many trades that it's hard to keep up.
Great to hear that everything's working well for us tonight. I know I got off to a bumpy start. Very difficult to get this software running. We didn't take any chances this time. We just left it up. And getting that fundamental stuff and the fundamental ideas about the ESP trading style out of the way, that's very, it was very critical. We were looking tight there for a second, but it looked like we got a nice pop. And you guys, if you're doing a lot of these, you notice how, since we're on the side of the table where the ultimate trend is going, for just a second, it started to look like these guys were finna work us out of the money. But
I see how... I'm sorry, I was going to say, I see that in the money from Crazy Cars, and also for Ben, it's in the money. Congrats, you guys.
Congratulations.
And also viewer 19 in the money. I love in the money. That's nice.